A partnership with Mark VII starts even before you buy a car wash and extends far past the equipment installation. We are your go-to for all things car wash. Mark VII can help with business consultation, site planning, marketing, upsell options, and even remote monitoring. We boast the most extensive chemical, service, and parts network across the United States. All of our technicians are factory-trained professionals with comprehensive experience that keeps your machine in pristine condition. If an issue does arise, our fast and friendly customer service team is just a phone call away. Our dispatch team is equipped to fix certain issues over the phone, minimizing machine downtime and maximizing your uptime. Your revenue is just as important to us as it is to you. That is why Mark VII staffs technicians near you for regularly scheduled preventative maintenance. And technicians are always available for emergency on-site assistance in the rare case it is needed. In addition to our technician services, our chemical plans aim to make sure that you can set it and forget it. We understand running a business has a lot of moving parts. Let us help with the car wash so you can focus on the bigger picture. After all, a clean car does not need to be complicated. Our goal is to make the buying process, the installation, and the maintaining your site as easy as possible. And it's not just all talk with us. We have a proven history and technology to stand behind what we say. As a subsidiary of WashTech, Mark VII has been an innovative leader in the car wash industry for over 50 years. Today, our technology operates at over 40,000 sites worldwide. Our global reach and our rich history in the industry gives our team unique experience that benefits every customer. So if you are thinking about investing with Mark VII, remember that our experience, our technology, and most importantly, our people are there to support you every step of the way.